We've been having problems with our sink. It's the water's been going down very slowly recently. So I've thought about different options, maybe trying some Drano. But recently, when we went to the store, I believe we got this in Lowe's. We found this thing. It's called the Drain Weasel, and basically, it's kind of like a hook or something that goes inside and basically clears out the whatever's blocking it, probably some hairs. Okay, so I'm gonna go test this thing out today. Alright, this thing comes with a reusable handle, and it comes with what it calls hair clog wands, which are disposable. At the very tip of these things, it has like some, I guess, hairs, which should be able to pull out whatever's clogging your sink. Okay. Okay, so the instructions say that basically you attach this to the end of this. Okay, so the handle has a little cut out there, and then here's the handle, and here's the wand. Basically has a similar shape, and it basically fits into each other like a puzzle. Then you just push this yellow thing over it, and it locks into place. And basically, when you rotate the handle, the end of the wand will spin. Okay. As you can see here, this is our sink. The water is not moving. Well, it's moving very slowly. And if I go up or down on this thing, it's still going very slowly. All right, so I'm gonna try testing this out, and hopefully it'll work. Okay, I've never tried this before. Basically what it says is basically put it inside, and then you start rotating it with a handle, and then once you feel resistance, you pull it out. So it sounds easy enough. Let's try giving it a shot. Leave this thing open, the stopper, and then I'll insert it and test this out. Hopefully we'll see this water disappear really quick once we remove the obstruction. All right, so you put it inside. Okay, there we go. It's not going past that. Let me try spinning it. See, spin, spin, spin. Let's see if that helps at all. Alright then. Well, some dirt came out. Not too much. Let me try again. Oops. Popped out. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Oh, yay. Look at this. Got a few hairs. Should be, hopefully it's moving a little bit faster. Let's see if it's a little bit faster now. Seems to be draining a little bit faster. You can see the water is now spinning, and it's moving a lot better. So I definitely help clean it up a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll wipe this off, clean it up, and do a couple more times and see if I can really clear out this obstruction. Alright, let's see what we get. Let's see what we fish out this time. Ooh, wow, look at that. All that dirt in there. Stuff that's been slowing down the drain all this time. Alright, gonna wipe this clean and try some more. Hey, Mads, you want to help Daddy? You want to help me? Yeah. Yeah, you help. Say please. Please. Say please how you want to help. Okay. There's some more dirt there. Oh, no. Oh, what do you see, Maddie? It's there. You see all this dirt? Look at all that dirt in there. Stuff that's, oh. Whoa, dirt. So whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh. So much dirt. Dirt? Oh, no. got even deeper. Let's see what else I can find down there. Wow, somehow I got through somewhere. Let's see if I get anything along the way. Whoa, 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 look at that. Ooh, that's so disgusting. Whoa, so smelly and dirty looking. Wow, yuck.
Yuck.
So yucky.
Water. Hi.
Okay.
I know.
Let's see what we can get.
Look, a dirty.
Wow, look at it. It's so yucky.
Yucky.
So yucky.
Yucky.
You know what this smells like? It smells like the aquarium. The filter. If any of you have ever taken care of an aquarium and have to clear out the filter, it smells just like that. Okay, so I don't want to get, turn on the sink and all of a sudden all this stuff falls right back in. Then have to clean it again in the future. So I'm going to just get tissue. Just going to wipe some of this stuff off. Alright, let's see if this thing actually works now. I'll turn on the water. Right. Wash my hands a little bit. You can rinse this thing off, It says this thing's disposable, but it's kind of a waste to just throw this thing away. It totally seems like it can be reused a few times at least. Just have to kind of rinse it. It's kind of like a filter. For the fish tank. It'll be wasteful. Oh, look at that. Water's going down real nice and easy. It's not accumulating. Not like before. Let me try stopping it for a bit. Let's see if that it goes down quickly. Okay, I filled up the sink with water, a little bit soap. So I stopped it. Let's see how fast it drains once I remove the stopper. I'm just gonna push it down. Oh, it's draining pretty quick. Looks like this draining thing was pretty successful. Alright. Anyway, thanks again, Drain Weasel. Seems to be pretty effective. Okay. If you don't want to be using chemicals to clear out your sink, this might be a good option for you. And plus, although it says that it has a disposable hair clogged wand, I suspect that this could probably be used a few times before you could throw it away. Alright, but this kit comes with two, so if you need more than that, then you can probably just reuse one of them or buy extras. Yeah. Alright. So if you have any questions, any comments, leave them down below. Alright, thanks. Bye bye.